Hello students, welcome you all again to your class of English, and today we'll discuss about one of the most important writing skill, that is notice writing, and this falls in the category of short composition, and believe me, this is one of the most easiest and interesting composition, notice writing. So let's find out that what is a notice writing, what is the purpose of writing down. Notice writing, actually a notice generally is a displayed sheet or a placard giving news or information. It may be in the written form or it may be in the printed form. So a notice generally is a displayed sheet or a placard giving news or information. Some common type of notices are handbills, posters and bulletins, and even advertisements fall in the category of notice writing. So what is a notice? It is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Generally they are meant to be put up on display boards in schools or public areas. They can also be printed in newspapers. So it is a formal means of communication. The purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Generally, they are meant to be put up on display boards in schools or public places. They can also be printed in newspapers. So, the information given in a notice can be regarding an event that is about to happen or has happened. The information that a notice is going to tell regarding an event that is about to happen or is happened or has happened. It can also be regarding an important guideline or message issued in public interest which requires attention. So notices are generally written as a guideline or a message that is always issued in public interest or in the interest of others which require attention or immediate attention at some times. So a notice should answer the following questions or the following things. The first one is title or subject, that what is the topic or what is the title of the notice. What is the issue? What is the event about? When will it be held? Where will it be held? And name of the issue, name of the person who has drafted the notice or who has issued the notice. So let's again have a look one more time. The time or subject, what the event is about, when will it be held, where will it be held, name of the issuer of the notice. So now if we talk about the format of the notice writing, then we need to keep in mind the correct format, because if we talk about its marking scheme, form notice writing is usually of 4 marks and format also contains marks. If we have written the correct format as per the prescribed by CBSE, then 1 marks will be awarded for the format. So now let's have a look on the format of notice writing. So first of all, a notice must be kept in a box, and then there would be the name of the issuing agency or authority or the organization who has issued that notice. Then there would be the word notice, then left hand side there would be the date, then the title or subject of the notice after 1 line space. Then it have the subject matter of the notice, to which we'll say the body of the notice or the content of the notice. Then the signature of issuing authority or issuing persons with name and designation. So there would be the name of the issuing person, signatures, then name, then designation. and after that the notice will be kept or put in a box. And if we talk about its marking scheme, the format will be of 1 mark, then the content will be of 1.5 mark. And if we talk about the expressions that like accuracy, grammatical accuracy, expressions, fluency of the language, then it will have 1.5 mark. So format will be of 1 mark, content will be of 1.5, and the accuracy and the other expressions will be of 1.5 marks. So overall it will be of 4 marks.